Hello and welcome to another Miss Alley Cat DIY haul. Today I have a bunch of stuff from the Dollar Tree. I am so excited to show you. I got 4 of these nautical ropes. You get 13 feet, which is really great, I think, for $1, and I will be using this in an upcoming DIY. I am so excited for that. I think it's one of my best, so I'm super excited to put that out and can't wait for you all to see it. So my mom actually was with me when I was shopping, and she picked up this hummingbird wind chime. A few of the items that I am hauling she did pick up, but I think they're really great items and I wanted to show you them. She also picked up 3 of these really cute butterfly garden decorations. These are so adorable. She got purple, blue, and yellow, and quite honestly, after she got these, I was like, oh, these would be so cute to take apart and to use in a DIY. So I don't know if I'll end up getting 1 or 2 myself, but it was definitely and still is in my head as an idea. This little ladybug is so adorable. It's this little wind chime, and honestly it almost looks like a heart, which is so cute. I'm kind of done making Valentine's Day DIYs, but this would be really cute to add to something for a DIY. So yeah, super cute, and my mom was able to pick this item up. She also got these wax melts. She has been loving these lately, so she went wax melt crazy at the Dollar Tree, whatever you want to call it. These scents for the wax melt last a really long time, and she says that they are very comparable to more expensive wax melts like Party Light. So yeah, she got 5 of them, and she's pretty excited to use these, and I can't wait to come over to her house and smell these scents. Alright, so I bought this one. I have been seeing this a couple of times. Every time I go, I'm like, it's adorable, but do I need it? I finally picked it up because in my head, yes, I do need it. I'm going to put it in my fairy garden, and I think it's pretty darn cute. So I did pick up the little strawberry. I picked up another packet of the shamrocks, the foam shapes. You get 20 of them, and I'm gonna use them in a DIY. Oh my goodness, I was so excited to see these back at my Dollar Tree. These are the little banks. This one says saving for my dreams. However, I might use it for something else. It's just a really great little shadow box, so super excited to find that. I picked up some more of this burlap ribbon. I just ran out of this color of burlap ribbon. So yeah, I needed myself another one of these, so I got one. And then I got some of these really pretty rhinestone, the rhinestone sheet. And they're just this really gorgeous kind of a rainbowy color. You can see them on the screen, but I use things like this for cards and gift tags, so I was really excited to find these. I've seen other people haul them, but yeah, I wanted to get them myself. Then I found one of these really adorable flour sack towels. These are so great because the material is usable for a lot of DIYs. I know the one that says "I really love you" is very popular, and that one's adorable too, but I was super excited to find a different one that's really cute. And it says "For the love of coffee," and then it has these really adorable little hearts all over it. It is so cute. And then I bought one of the succulent clips. I thought this one would be very versatile, so I picked it up and I'm super excited to make something with that or just clip it to my decor somehow. But I think it's super cute and I was so excited to find it. I purchased this garden fence from the Dollar Tree. I think it's super adorable and maybe I will do a DIY with it. That is the plan, so super excited to figure that out. They're starting to get their Easter products, so I picked up these Easter eggs. You get 18 of them, and then right after I went to the Dollar Tree, I walked over to Joann's and they had Easter eggs, less of them, for like $6. So this is a pretty good deal. I got some of these Easter eggs with the gold top. You only get 6, but they are a larger egg, and so I think that they're going to be really cute for a DIY. We'll see what I do with those. And I picked up 2 of these smaller eggs. These are so pretty, and they have like little sparkly colors to them, and you get 12 in each pack, which is pretty good. So I can't wait to do some DIYs with these Easter supplies. And then I finally found a notebook that I wanted. I've been looking for a notebook for a little while and I haven't found one that I really wanted. So I was excited when I saw this one, and it just says "Stand Tall" with this little flamingo on it. And the back is the exact same picture. And then inside it does have the lines, which I don't mind. I like it either way. And so yeah, I got this notebook. And then the last few items are items my mom also scored while she was with me at the DT. She got these really adorable St. Patrick's Day flowers with the large coins in the flowers. So she's going to put these on her dining room table, I think. And then she also got some other flowers very similar, but like she also picked up this really cute bouquet for St. Patrick's Day. This one is a little bit darker green than the other 4, but it is also super adorable and has the little shamrock in the flower arrangement. And then this little hat is so adorable. I'm thinking I should have picked one up. It is so cute! Oh my gosh. So I think this is also going to look adorable on her dining room table or wherever she decides to put that. She also picked up this small shamrock St. Patrick's Day centerpiece. It says "Luck" on it. Also, of course, it is adorable. She picked up a pack of these foam scatter, which have the 4-leaf clover and the coins. You get a pack of 20. And she also picked up some of these coins, and you get 30 of them. These are so cute, and I'm also thinking I should have picked some up for a DIY, but I can't wait to see what she does. She also picked up 4 of these snakes. They are from the toy section at Dollar Tree, but she didn't get them for that. She actually got them to put in her garden. She did something similar last year and it worked really well to nicely keep the birds and the squirrels out of her garden so they didn't eat all of her flowers and vegetables that she planted last year. And then my mom was also able to score this other chime that is a ladybug. It's a little bit different than the one I showed you earlier. This one, the wings are out and it looks like it's flying upwards. And it is adorable too. I would venture to say I like this one better. It was the very last one at the store we went to. So she was pretty excited to find this little guy. So this is the last of the Dollar Tree haul. I hope you all enjoyed it, and thank you so much for watching. I hope you have an absolutely perfect day. Until next time, this is Miss Alley Cat DIY signing off. And if you liked this video, please don't forget to pounce on that like button and hit subscribe. Bye!